Solitude stands by the window. She turns her head as I walk in the room. I can see by her eyes she's been